This one is called running stitch. Basically, it's a dashed line. Start by bringing the needle up from the back of the fabric to the front, right at the starting point of your line. Then, push the needle back down in the fabric a short distance away from the starting point. Bring the needle up from the back of the fabric again, a short distance away from the end point of the first stitch, and then go back down into the fabric as you did before. Keep repeating this process, making sure the stitches are the same length and evenly spaced. The length of the stitch and the space between them can be any size you choose. The important thing is to keep it consistent. By the way, if you don't know yet how to start or finish an embroidery thread, I have a great tutorial about this on my channel. Check the link below this video. And that's it for today. If you have any questions, leave them in the comment section below and I'll make sure to reply to all of them.